Dementia training is essential for anyone who is a health professional or a carer or a volunteer. In fact, I personally believe that dementia training is essential for everyone in our community. As dementia rates in Australia continue to grow, it's really important that we all, as Australians, know how to interact appropriately with someone living with dementia, and we know how to support carers in their roles in our community.
Working in hospitals, we know that 1 in 4 patients who we support are going to be living with a type of cognitive impairment, and the most prevalent of that being a dementia and or delirium. So it's really important that we have an understanding of what dementia is and how we can support the person and also the workforce in supporting and caring for people living with dementia. Well, when we look at our new National Dementia Education Standards Framework, there is a domain there on independence and enablement, and we identified quite early on that we actually didn't have any training material in that space, and allied health contributes significantly to that space. So hosting an event like this today, where we hear from multiple allied health professionals and them sharing what we can achieve in this space to support people living with dementia, is being crucial.
I'm hoping that allied health professionals can begin a dialogue about how to team with carers and with other health professionals to better support people living their best lives following a diagnosis of dementia, and that they feel enabled and empowered to be part of the journey of getting a diagnosis. We know that for people living with dementia, having a diagnosis is absolutely critical to ensuring they get the best care and have the opportunity to live their best lives. Allied health professionals have a really critical role to play in both diagnosis and in care planning and the implementation of good health supports.
I hope they get the vibe that we're all feeling today, to be honest, and take that back to their workplaces and to be actually thinking around what they might do differently tomorrow or in their next interaction with their person living with dementia. Forming networks, forming friendships, forming collaboration. There's always those opportunities at these great events as well to keep connected.
The Symposium is a unique experience in dementia education in Australia and possibly even worldwide. What Dementia Training Australia is trying to do is focus on the future development of specific courses and tools to support allied health professionals. That's never been done before. This is the beginning of our conversation, and it's the beginning of us developing a support program to assist allied health professionals develop their dementia skills.